Hi, you are back on the channel IT Repeat. In this video I want to tell you how to solve camera problem on any Android smartphone. If your camera does not start or if this camera starts and crashes, this video should help you to solve this problem. And so without any time, let's get started. The first thing to do is try to restart your smartphone. If you already did it or did it now and it didn't help you, move next. Second, what we need to do is go to settings, smartphone settings, and find the item called installed apps item when all your application is installed. If you cannot this item in your settings, just find the search bar and type apps and click find. Then go installed apps and you will see all application of your smartphone. You need to find application called camera. Go into it. Then click storage and next clear data. But before do this, I ask you to backup all your photos and videos from your smartphone on external storage drive. When you backed all your photos and videos, you can press clear data and then choose clear cache, not all data, clear cache. OK. Now you can exit from settings and try to launch your camera. If this doesn't help, come back to the camera settings and then press clear all data. And again, be sure that all your photos and video are saved on external drive. When you do this, press clear all data. All app data, including files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache, will be permanently deleted. Please notice it. And then press OK. All these steps will surely help you with this problem. And if not, go to the Play Store and find some application, some third-party application, then help you to take pictures. For example, you can use free application called Open Camera. Type Open Camera in search bar, then press find, and you will see this application called Open Camera from developer Mark Harmon. This is a quite good application. This is not ad, it's just good application. You see 50 million downloads and quite good reviews. You can use it if your own application in phone doesn't work after all steps. Press install, use this camera as camera on smartphone. That is all for today. If the video was useful, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel and leave any comment. Thank you very much.